Is manifestation. Manifestation is the idea that your thoughts create your reality, right? And that seems so far-fetched to people at first because we were all taught the mechanistic model of the universe. And this was a model of the universe that was set forth by 17th century philosophers like Isaac Newton, right? Sound familiar? 5th grade science class. So they basically set forth the idea that mind and matter are completely separate operating systems. They function independently of each other, okay? They have no relationship with each other. The universe is like a machine, and there are laws that humans can use to predict and calculate how the machine functions, but we don't have any hand in creating any of it. Q. Albert Einstein, who comes along and comes up with the E equals MC squared equation, right? I mean, he didn't come up with it, he more so discovered it. So the E equals MC squared equation basically established that matter and energy are actually not separate from each other. In fact, they are so fundamentally similar that they're actually one and the same. So to put this into perspective for you, you have the atom, which is the smallest particle of matter. You have the Newtonian version of the atom, and then you have the quantum version of the atom. The Newtonian version is based on that old mechanistic model of the universe that we were talking about before, and it basically says that the atom is made up of 99.99999% matter and 0.00001% energy. While the quantum atom, which is based on Einstein's theory, states that the atom is made up of 99.999% energy and only 0.00001% matter. So if we know that the atom is mostly energy, that means everything around you, everything in the universe is made up of energy. Once physicists realized that everything around us is actually made up of energy, they decided to start studying the behavior of electrons, which are tiny subatomic particles. And what they realized was there's something called the observer effect, which is the phenomenon where wherever the observer of the experiment directed their attention is where the electron would appear. And this was huge, right? Because it proved that our thought, our mindful attention actually does directly impact our outer world and energy and matter all around us, right? So this quantum research led to an even more refined understanding of how the universe operates, which we now know is that everything around you exists as infinite potential, right? There is an infinite array of possibilities of how these electrons could come together to manifest into your 3D reality. It is your thoughts, it is your attention that determines how these electrons or how this energy actually comes together to manifest into your 3D reality. So that's the modern day scientific explanation of how your thoughts actually create your reality. But the concept of manifestation is something that's been taught since ancient times. It's found in so many different cultures, and the way it's explained really just varies based on the cultural context that you're talking about. Now, a common misconception of manifestation is that it refers to just manifesting your specific desires, right? That is not how it works. You have actually been manifesting every moment of your life since you were born, okay? If you take a look at your current circumstances, that is a byproduct of your thoughts over the years, your most dominant thoughts, that is. When you are talking about using manifestation consciously, that's how you actually manifest your desires. That's how you create the life that you